There's nothing like a great cocktail with your favorite girlfriends, right? Today we are showering you with love with a group of very talented ladies here on YouTube. I'm so excited to be a part of this collaboration. So if you're new here, my name is Melanie and welcome to the Millionaire House. We talk about all things home decor, lifestyle, and family here. Today I'm making one of my favorite cocktails. But before we get started, let me introduce you to everyone in the collab, and you can click on the link in the description box below to continue on after this video. Welcome to the Showered with Love Valentine's Day collaboration hosted by the lovely Melanie at Living Luxuriously for Less. I'm really excited to be a part of this collab. All of these ladies are extremely talented and very creative and really good at what they do. So make sure you check out all the videos. We are going to shower you with love in our own way. I hope you enjoy it. At the Millionaire House. Welcome to my kitchen. With this Showered with Love Valentine's collab, I thought it would be nice to share with you one of the things that I love to do for my girlfriends and sometimes with my husband is to make a fabulous cocktail. So today I'm sharing one of my favorites. It's perfect for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, maybe a Sunday brunch. And it's called a Gigi's Fizz. So all of the ingredients are really simple. There's just a few, but it's important that you get the right ones because it's a special cocktail. So I'm using Prosecco, I'm using elderflower, and I'm using Grey Goose pear vodka. Okay, so all you're going to do, and I'll explain the importance of each one of these as we go along. So you're going to add a half an ounce of elderflower, and I'm just going to double everything so I can make one for you and one for me. But you're going to use half an ounce of elderflower. I like the St. Germain's elderflower, but there are different brands. Elderflower is a very strong liqueur, and so a little bit goes a long way. So when you do that measurement, half an ounce, make sure it's precise, because if not, the elderflower can overpower the drink, and we don't want that, okay? So next, you want to take your Grey Goose pear vodka. The Grey Goose pear vodka is very smooth, and it has a really nice, subtle pear flavor to it. It's not easy to find, though. I usually can find it at Total Wines or sometimes at a Walmart alcohol store, but when you find it, grab it, because they don't make it as often as they used to. So you need 1 ounce of that. So I'm doubling this. So I'm going to do 2. Next, you want to shake this together in a shaker filled with ice really, really well. You want it nice and cold, and you want the ice shavings to kind of break apart in there. So make sure you give it a really good shake. All right. So next I'm going to pour this into my champagne glasses, and then I'm going to show you where the magic happens, okay? So let me pour these. With everything that's been going on, I really miss being able to get together with my girlfriends like we used to and do like our Sunday brunches. I've got a little leak going on here. So this is fun for me to do with you guys because it's one of those things I like to do. And with Valentine's Day, you know, we've been married for 19 years this year. Wow. So we don't really do a lot of Valentine's Day specific dating. We have a date night once a week. Just the two of us. We go out and I get dressed up and we have a date. But this is on one of those date nights is where I discovered this cocktail, and it's really become a favorite. So you've got your base poured. So now this is the most important part. You want to add some lemon zest before you add the Prosecco. Magic happens when you add the lemon zest in there. It's the oils that pull the perfect amount of flavor from the pear and the elderflower. It really is fantastic. Okay, and you drop that in there. And then you add your La Marca Prosecco. It needs to be La Marca, and the reason why is because this Prosecco is not a sweet Prosecco. It actually has kind of a citrusy, grapefruit, crisp vibe to it. So it just perfectly complements this drink. And so you want to top it off with the Prosecco. Look at those bubbles. All right, let's fill this one up. Oh, no spills. And there we have it. And that's it. A beautiful, refreshing cocktail to enjoy with the one you love, or maybe for a Galentine's Day, but very, very tasty. So let me know how you like it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I'd love to have you back. I'm gonna do one more Valentine themed video, and I'll be hosting a little giveaway. I love my giveaways here at the Millionaire House. So I am going to take my cocktail and go enjoy the rest of these videos with you guys. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I'll see you back here hopefully soon at the Millionaire House. Until then, love, peace, and cheers.